Hey guys, welcome back to my channel this afternoon. I have a packing video for you guys today on the JuJuBe Be Packed backpack. This is their newest design backpack that they released with the latest print release in Sushi Cars, and it is a very vibrant, really cute print, and it looks great on this little backpack. I did get this bag for my daughter Anastasia for kindergarten, so she has been using a mini B, but I thought this looked like it would be a great size for her, and it does fit her on her back quite well, but I'm a little bit iffy about the design. It's a very narrow bag. Now I do have this packed with her school items, and as you can see it is not very wide down the bottom here, so it is a little bit squishy to fit what I need to put in here, which you will see in a moment. I will also show you how I can pack it up as a diaper bag or nappy bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpack what I have in here for school, for primary school, and then I will do a pack it up with the items that I normally take to use as a diaper bag. So there is a pocket in the front here that for some reason, this is one thing I'm a little funny about. I don't know why they just didn't make the pocket go all the way down the bottom of the bag, because as it is, when you open this up, I mean, it's got the really cute zipper pulls, by the way. They've stuck with the metal hardware diamonds, which is really nice, and the nameplate. I do like that. When you open this up, you do have two mesh pockets in the front here, but it only goes down to like there, and if you can see my finger moving around. I kind of wish they brought it all the way down. I think that would have made more sense. Really cute lime green. It's a puffy pocket, so it does open up a little. And in here I've just got my daughter's little tag for school that she has to wear when I drop her off, because for 2 weeks I have to drop her off and pick her up. There's a little mesh pocket here that you can put a drink bottle in, but for me, when I try putting in the thermos bottle that she takes, it causes the bag to even be a little bit weight heavy forward. You do have a tech pocket at the top here. I don't have anything in here because, you know, it's packed for my daughter for school. There are also the backpack straps are nicely shaped for a child, I think, because they do taper down to the bottom here, and this is adjusted all the way down here. I had her try it on, and that has to be like this adjustment to fit on her little back. I just noticed there's a D-ring here, things at the back like some keys or something on this back hook. I'm not sure what that's for. It's interesting. Okay. It is padded on the back with some memory foam moisture wicking padding. So if you go into the center of the bag, there are two zipper pulls, and you do have this really cool, I love this racing stripe choice that they put on this print on some of the binding and stuff. It is pretty cool. So there is a zipper here in the front, and here is the flap from where the tech pocket would be, the Feltline tech pocket. You can just have it like that, but I actually prefer to tuck it back, or I may just kind of roll it up and clip it using some little clips at the top here, because she won't use that for school. But I do have her school hat on the top here. This is a thermos container, and that actually fits next to the fuel cell, so that's not too bad. So that's not too bad. It does fit in there like that. And if I put it in the bottle pocket here, it just kind of looks funny. To me it looks funny, so I'm just going to put it in the bag, I think. And then if you take this fuel cell out here, this is not the fuel cell she's going to take. She has a Toki Pops one. It's just in the wash. This is my cute but deadly fuel cell, and I've just stuffed this with tea towels and things to show you how it would look packed out. And then you've got an elastic pocket back here, which I just have her. They have to take a zipper bag, which folds up, and it just says her diary for school. So that's back there. And then if you open it up here, you can kind of get a view inside of the bag there. And I think maybe the more she uses it, the more it'll puff out on the bottom. But when we first got it and I first packed it, it just felt really squishy, but it is a good size for the things that she does take. Now in the winter, when she has to put jumpers or sweaters in here, I'm not sure how it's going to go, but I think I'll just leave it for now, because I just don't want to go through getting another school bag. And this is really cute. I love this print placement with the dragon uni right there. I think it just looks really cute. Anyway, so that was what I had in there for her as a school backpack. Now I'm going to put in what I have for my diapering needs, as you can see here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to put in is my nappy pouch, and I'm using the Vanchi nappy mesh bag that I got from my Vanchi backpack, and I find this is great because I can put my 2 size 5 nappies and a light change pad and a coin purse with baggies and a wet bag, and I'm just going to pop that back here in this mesh pocket like this, which works well. So my iPhone 8 Plus does fit in this zipper pocket here, standing up. It's actually quite a roomy tech pocket, honestly. So I can have that there, or I can pop it back there. I'll probably just pop it back there. The Y pouch 30 count, I think I'm going to put back here as well, just so it's out of the way. And I also have a large set piece in Rainbow Dreams with a small Be Organized with some magnetic blocks in there, and a small set piece in Donatella Sweet Shop with some little toys. So I'm going to stand this up in the center like so, like that. Also have a medium set piece in Toki Pops with some snack bags and dried snacks and things in there, but that is going to go in there as well like that, just next to it. Mini Y pouch with antibacterial wipes, and that one I'm just going to stick in front, put in front of these here like that. My hand sanitizer I'm going to put in the corner here because I couldn't find a really good place for it, so it's just going to go in the corner of the bag right down here next to the large set piece. In this zip pocket here, I'm going to put my Tokidoki coin purse with some a brush and hair ties and such in here. Now this pocket goes a fair distance, so this actually, if I put this up standing up, so you can see how wide that is about there, I'll put that up standing up like that, it actually fits nicely in there. And then next to it I'm going to put some tissues in there and zip that up, and that works. Here is a funtainer. I'm going to stick that in the corner here next to the medium set piece. My keys, I think I might pop those, now there's no key hook or anything in here, so I could put them in here maybe, or like this, which might work fine. Get that out of the way. That's it for the main section of the bag. So there is a little bit of room on top that I could put more in. Not really any more give in it. It's pretty much full. This pocket here, I'm actually going to put in my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick and lip gloss in there, because that fits in there, and it actually kind of goes with the bag too. Okay, so now we've got the front pocket that's left, and there are 2 mesh pockets as I said. So in one side I'm going to put my small set piece in chrome with all my mommy needs and med kit things. So that actually fits a small set piece, and you do have some room up the top here as well. I just have some mints, so I'm going to put those in that little pocket right there. And then I have my wallet left, my Colorado leather wallet, and that is just going to go in the front here. Kind of squishes in there. It doesn't expand very much, so I mean you could probably fit a Be Spendy and stuff in there, but it would be really, really tight. So a smaller wallet like this would work. If you used a small set piece as a wallet, that would work fine, and you could even stick it in that thing and have the other mesh pocket and have this room here. So that's it. So that's everything that I would take in a diaper bag. So it is, I mean, I think I'm just getting used to it. When I first unboxed it and I played with it and I was like, this is so skinny. It's okay. There's a few design choices I would have done differently. It does have a nice grab handle. This is really well stitched into the bag. And so when it's packed, you can see how it's kind of expanded out. Look on this side. It's expanded out a bit. So I think when you put stuff in it, I think it will just gradually expand out, if that makes any sense. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I would get one as a diaper bag for myself because I have so many other choices, and I just feel like when you go into it, I guess you can access things, but a lot of people take way more than I do. If you wanted to take spare clothes and things like that, I'm just not sure how you would fit it in. When Clara starts to potty train, I would definitely not take this because it would just be a little bit too squishy for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little packing and gave you an idea of how the Be Pack does pack up as a school bag and as a diaper bag for a minimalist packer like myself. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them in the box below, and I hope to see you for my next video, and thank you for watching. See you later.